These are solar powered security cameras, and they claim just 2 hours of sunlight can keep them powered. These security cameras will help keep an eye on your house when you're not at home. What's up YouTube? Welcome back to DIY Reed. My name is Reed, and in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Aosu SolarCam P1 SE home security system. This home security system is packed with great features such as 2K resolution, 32GB local storage, and camera-to-camera tracking. This is a 2K resolution camera in both daytime and nighttime with a spotlight. Not only does it use a spotlight, but it can also use infrared for night vision. Now, the design of this camera is a little bit different than I'm used to seeing. Most of the time, the security cameras are stacked with the camera lens on top and the PIR motion sensor below it. These security cameras, the camera lens and PIR motion sensor are side by side with the spotlight in the middle. These cameras use AI to accurately identify people, reducing false alarms and enhances security reliability. These security cameras use a home base that have 32GB of local storage with no subscription fees. All of this in a centralized location supporting up to 4 cameras. This is the equivalent of 120 days of loop recording. What's loop recording, you ask? Well, loop recording is just a term that once storage fills up, it'll start over recording at the oldest video first, going to the newest. This is a way that you don't run out of storage space and miss any key motion detections. The cameras in the home base team up to improve range, speed, and reliability with up to 5,200 square feet of total coverage. The nice thing about this setup is you're able to live view all your cameras on one screen at the same time. This way you can see what's going on around your house when you're not at home and make sure that nothing's going on. Earlier, I did mention that these cameras have camera-to-camera tracking. Well, that's a very nice feature to have when you have more than one security camera. This provides a synced video when the camera tracks motion between the cameras all in one video view. So if you're in the front of the house and someone comes around to the side of the house and to the back of the house, it's going to link those cameras together and it's going to put it all in one video so you can see all of it going on at once versus going camera to camera. The spotlight and alarm provide extra layers of security to unwanted visitors. Nothing like walking around in someone's house and a bright spotlight turning on. Not that I go walking around people's houses at night. Okay, maybe in my younger years, playing outside at night with my friends, we may have done that once or twice, but nothing bad. At night, these cameras not only have infrared night vision, but they also have color night vision when there is light or when the spotlights are on. This helps see things a little bit more clear. If that's not enough, you can even use two-way talk to tell the intruder to leave your property. Now, since these are battery-powered security cameras requiring no wires, they are truly wireless. They have a solar panel at the very top that will allow it for charging when there's sun. The solar panel will help keep these cameras operating continuously with just 2 hours of sunlight a day. With the IP65 weatherproof rating, these cameras can withstand rain, snow, or shine. These cameras are smart home ready with the integration with Amazon Alexa and OK Google. In the box, you get 2 cameras with mounts attached to them, a home base, power cord for the home base, Ethernet cable for the home base, 2 USB-A to USB-C cables to charge the security cameras, mounting hardware for the cameras, mounting templates, stickers, and a user guide. Now let's take a quick look at the quality of the video during the daytime, nighttime with spotlight on and off, and the audio quality.
Here's the quality of the video for the daytime and the audio quality that you're going to get. You're going to see. Here's the quality of the video for the nighttime infrared and the audio quality that you're going to get. This is what you're going to get. Here's the quality of the video, spotlight on, and the color night vision, and the audio quality that you get at night.
Now let's take a quick run through of the app on my iPhone. So in the app here, I can see quickly at a glance both of my cameras that I have set up. You can kind of see a snapshot of what happened last. And at the top right of it, you can see what the Wi-Fi signal is and how much battery life is left. And you can either snooze the camera or look at the specific events of the camera and go into settings. We're going to go into the settings real quick. Well, the camera is on right now. I can turn it on and off. I can share the device. Motion detection, I have it set up. You can do motion detection zones, so you can eliminate what you don't want to see and what you do want to see. I have human detection on, and then you can adjust sensitivity. You can turn on the alarm so that way the alarm automatically goes off if there's motion. I'm not really sure you want to do that. Depends on where you want to put this. Notification settings here, I can set those up each time of day. So if I don't want it to go off while I'm at home, or if I don't want it to go off maybe in the evening time or during the daytime. It's up to you. You can have them on at all times. And you can even do immediate mode or intelligent mode. You can set those up based on what you want. You can do night vision. You can have it record if there's motion, turn the little spotlight on to record with color night vision, or you can just keep infrared on. Cloud recording, if you want to. I think it's a little bit extra money. Actually, let's see that real quick. See if it loads here. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, so you can pay, it's a $6, $7 a month for 30 days for one device. And then looks like you can do it annually or 2 devices if you want to, but you don't need to. It all records to the local home base. Audio and video, you can set up what mode you want. You have a smooth mode. That's kind of interesting that they call it a smooth mode, but this looks like that based on the bandwidth that's available, it will automatically smooth the video out. So you might get a little bit less quality of the video if there's not enough bandwidth, but I just stick it on 2K mode. Privacy settings, you can set it up so that certain times of the day it's in privacy mode, or set up privacy zones that you don't want to record on. Battery management, this allows you to set up power saving mode or intelligent detection mode. And then also LED status light at the top. Then you can also do a scheduled sleep, so you can make the camera sleep during the day, whatever you want to do. You want them always on. Amazon and Google Home setups for integration, home base information, firmware updates, quick start guide, restart device, and remove device. And then we can also go back here and go to home base, and this is where you can format the device or the drive inside the home base, as well as firmware updates, remove device, and restart the device. Here are my final thoughts. This home security system from Aosu has a unique camera design, which, thinking about it now, this allows for more surface space for the solar panel. I wonder if that's what they had in mind when they redesigned this. I really like how it stitches together motion detection between the cameras to produce a full video of what's happening around your house. If you've watched any of my previous videos, you know I'm all about local storage. I hate subscription fees. They are the worst, so thankfully this system comes with 32 gigabytes of local storage. The 2K resolution camera along with the spotlights allows for a higher quality video. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a like and feel free to ask any questions in the comment section down below. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing for more tech reviews, home automation, and home and automotive how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.